Haiti is a nation born from the metamorphoses of plantations and abuse into plains of freedom and promise. I carry the legacy of men and women whose audacity changed the course of history, opening an era of equality and dignity for all. My candidacy stems from the commitment of my country to UNESCO since our adhesion 77 years ago. Through good times and bad, we engage with every sphere of this organization and never waver in our resolve to move forward together. Because when faced with unprecedented trial, Haitians from Catherine Flon to Suzanne Comer-Sylvain still aspire to triumph. We stand upright and remind the world that we matter, that we too belong, that we too have the right to tap into the opportunities of this planet, whether they be economic, social, political, or natural. We too can build together and channel our water to the land of our ancestors until it floods the soul of our youth. We can sing as we dig and combite, our sacred chain of solidarity still meshed to the shores of Benin, swerving through Congo and reaching the highest peaks of Ethiopia.